Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by making the device ready. Update the Quest 3 firmware, charge above 50%, and make sure the room has even lighting. Once done, clear your play space and remove gloves or reflective jewelry so sensors see your hands. Next, go to Settings, find Hands and Controllers, and enable hand tracking. This flips the software into tracking mode. You do this now because hardware, lighting, and the setting together create a reliable baseline for accurate hand detection. Now you calibrate and optimize. Follow the on-screen prompts to align each hand. Do each motion slowly and deliberately so the system records shapes accurately. Make sure light is diffuse, avoid direct sunlight or bright backlight that creates silhouettes. Position your hands inside the headset's field of view and practice core gestures. This builds consistent recognition. Also, test with the apps you plan to use, because some titles expose additional hand tracking settings, so finish by testing in the Quest Home and a supported app to confirm gestures and interactions work end-to-end. If tracking is inconsistent, toggle hand tracking off and on, then reboot the headset. This often clears temporary sensor glitches. Make sure both the headset and the app are fully updated and retrace calibration steps if needed. One key troubleshooting tip: if problems persist, change your lighting first. Most tracking issues are lighting related. Only then consider a factory reset or contacting support if nothing else fixes it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.